Hello guys, as I promised in the previous video, today I'm going to show you Bosmoto motorcycle gloves. And if you want to find why I bought these cheap motorcycle gloves and what is a mistake that almost all new riders make, please watch the previous video. Okay, let's start with the tags. Here is SE for the goods that is made for European economic area, and EN 13594 standard for motorcycle gloves, and Leather Point, that's the name of the company that makes these gloves, and the brand is Bosmoto or Boss. Okay, let's move to the gloves. This is GMC-14 model, Boss summer gloves, and then here is a protector. They claim it's carbon fiber, but I'm not sure, and there are some rubber protectors on each finger with openings for the air ventilation. And then there is a Velcro fastener. And on the palm side you have two fingertips that are, this is material sensitive to touchscreen, and reinforced thumb and reinforced palm area with some kind of rubber, or I'm not sure what kind of material is this. And here is a pillow in this impact area. This pillow is made of silicone or some kind of gel, something like that. It looks that they are well made. I ordered one size bigger than they recommend on their website, and they fit nice and they feel nice. There is enough room in the gloves, and at the same time protectors are on the right spot. And according to the manufacturer website, these gloves are made of combination of lycra and mesh, and they offer a good ventilation and good airflow. And for me it's important because me, as other scooter riders, mostly ride scooter during summer months. And that would be all, guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.